Hello there everyone, this is Ashmita this side from SOURAV SIR'S CLASSES. Here we are focusing on pronouns in this video. What are pronouns? So pronouns are words used in case of repetitive nouns. Why are we using the nouns repetitively? Let's use a pronoun instead of it. So some of the very personal pronouns can be he, she, it, we, they. Possessive pronouns can be my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. So first we got to see personal pronouns, that is one type. Secondly, we got to see possessive pronouns. Okay, let's discuss what are possessive pronouns. You got the examples, but they basically indicate the ownership or possession of something. Thirdly, we are going to focus on demonstrative pronouns like this, that. Okay. Then interrogative pronouns means question type of pronouns like who, what, which, whom, whose. Okay. Then relative pronouns. So fifth division of pronouns: who, whom, whose, which, that. These would come under relative pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are also there, like coming under the sixth: myself, yourself, himself. You're reflexing on yourselves. Then himself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. So these were the types of pronouns. Let's focus on more types of pronouns, like indefinite pronoun we have. It is a word that gives indefinite information about a pronoun, like one has to be honest. Okay. Okay, so one has to be honest. These personal pronouns, these are the pronouns used for persons like we, you, he, she, they, like we have already discussed this. Impersonal pronoun, it's a word used for a thing, like it is true, I found it on the seashore. Okay, it is true. Then we have the reflexive pronoun, and under the reflexive pronoun, we are going to talk about like myself, yourself, themselves, ourselves, like the one we have already discussed. Next, we have the interrogative pronoun. This is also done. It is a word that asks questions about a noun, like who, what, etc. Who told you this? What is your name? Then relative pronoun: whom, who, whoever, etc. Compound relative pronoun: whose, who, whosoever, whatsoever, more precisely. Though these compound relative pronouns does not come that much. Okay, distributive pronoun. This is a word that refers to one thing at the time, like each of the boys is ready. Each of the boys. Emphatic pronoun. So this is a word which is used to like emphasize something, like she, herself, kind of reflexive pronoun types. Demonstrative pronoun. This is a word that points out a noun, like this, these, that, those. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you want to prepare yourself for the general English portion of the competitive examinations, then you are in the right video. You can follow us for more details, and if you want to prepare in the live lectures and have interactive sessions, then you can join our classes for that. All the descriptions, details would be there in the description box below. All the contact details and everything. Do contact us if you have any kind of queries, and if you want to post down your comments, you can do that. If you want to post your queries down in the comment box, you are welcome to do that. That's it for today's video. Let's discuss the other topics in the next videos.